If it's 16, there's something wrong with that.
Now the engine light was still flashing, indicating a misfire. But what does the code reader say?
Oh, 3 faults. Oh no. I think we're gonna get 16 and 14 here. No, wait, 16. Look, it's gone passive. It's gone to 14. Yeah, so 16's passive.
Ah, so that was from before.
So let me clear that. Ah, so it has gone to cylinder 14. Bentley coil pack. Yeah. So the Bentley coil pack's not working. But was our Bugatti coil pack failing, or was it not pushed all the way in?
So cylinder 16 is no longer misfiring. It's only cylinder 14 now, which has got the Bentley coil pack in.